welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today I am doing days 4 through 6 for the ATC A Day 2018. This challenge was started by the Pick a Stick Challenge Facebook group, and I thought it would be fun to play along. So they're pretty simple, so I'm just gonna let the music play and let you watch. And I hope you enjoy. So there's what? That's number 6. So that's 3 more down. And just how many more to go? Anyway, I hope you're liking these. Please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you like it, please hit like and feel free to share this video. I will try to put links to the previous one down below or at the end. And I'd like to thank you for watching. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe.